Hi guys, this is Niraj from Infosecplatform. Today we are going to unbox one of the best product of Amazon. It's Amazon Echo Dot third generation. Before going to unbox, we would like to thank Amazon for their great Indian sale offer. So we have got here two Amazon Echo Dot third generation with one Wipro bulb in just 4999 Indian rupees. It means around $70. I think it's nice deal, right? If you're looking for such deals, make sure you're roaming around on Amazon app in Amazon offer periods and also create your wish list. Okay, fine. So let's go for the unboxing.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions. Bringing your device online, just a moment. Your device is ready.
Computer. Hello.
Welcome, sir. I'm here to assist you. Enjoy yourself.
Yes, definitely. Computer. How are you?
I'm feeling on top of the world. Well, I guess it's because I am in the cloud.
Computer. Turn on dining light. Turn on table lamp. Turn off table lamp. Turn off dining light. Thank you.
Thank you for being in my life.
Computer, turn on cabinet light. Turn off cabinet light. Computer, turn on motor.
Dear I, motor is on now. I will turn it off when water tank is full.
Thank you.